welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about some of my favourite trains and some of the information that will be passed in. Transport for Wales is responsible for improving and managing transport across Wales and the borders, which is very important one day when you might go to Wales. This is very good information for you, and this might be even very important for everyone that might just want to become a train driver on this train. The seating is firm yet comfortable and modern, with a mix of airline and table layout, and seating is 2+2 layout. Nice. Next, for Class 180 EMR, one of my favourite is this diesel hydraulic multiple unit between 2020 and May 2023, primarily boost capacity on London St Pancras intercity routes and provide extra space for summer Saturday Skegness services. These seats are considered comfortable with reasonable legroom, and also the seating is 2+2 layout. Last but not least, the Go 807 is my favourite train, and these 125 miles per hour Hitachi built trains offer sustainable travel featuring 451 seats, wireless charging, improved Wi-Fi and spacious modern interiors. The 2+2 on standard and 2+1 on first class makes it fair and very comfortable with toilets and larger tables, and also with improved wheelchair spaces, which is very important for people that are disabled. Thank you for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe.